a bunch of peanuts and see what happens. But if that's the way your body responds to it, yeah, typically that's always going to occur. If that's the way your body responds to it. Okay, Chris.
All right, thank you, man.
All right, good luck, man. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. All right, Truth Raider in Oregon. What's up? We're doing a talk up in Oregon. Why don't you tell the listeners about that real quick, Truth Raider?
Okay, good morning, Pharmacist Ben. Hey, ladies and gentlemen out there in the bright side world out there listening to the show. August 28th, here in Portland, Oregon, we're going to have Pharmacist Ben Fuchs speak to the attendees of our Red Pill group meeting. And it's going to be at 6:30 p.m. if you're in the Portland, Oregon area on August 28th. So mark that down on your calendar, folks. Those who listen to the show here in the Portland, Oregon area who stream the show on the Internet can attend that meeting. It's going to be at the Flying Pie Pizzeria. That's going to be located. Yeah, that doesn't sound too nutritional, but they have some good food and good vegetables and a good salad bar there and good fresh materials. It's gluten-free. So that's
Where in Portland? Where in Portland?
It's going to be on Stark, 78th and Stark.
So that's not the downtown area, I take it. I don't know Portland that well.
That's just slightly east. They consider that somewhere between mid and northeast Portland and middle eastern Portland.
Okay, cool. So that's August the 25th, did you say?
28th. Thursday, August 28th.
Thursday, August 28th.
Our second meeting of the month. We have 2 meetings per month. Every 2 weeks we meet.
Cool. Well, I'm looking forward to that. It's almost August. It's almost August. We've been talking about this for a while. Now it's almost August.
You bet. You bet.
All right, so what's going on? We got about 2 minutes here, Truth Raider.
We have serious conditions going on with my stepmother. She's 95.
Oh, wow.
Generally pretty good health, but she bumped across a box, on an edge of a box, a cardboard box, and her skin peeled open on her leg.
Oh, yeah, that's terrible. That's just a sign that the body's not getting the nutrition that it needs, and she's 95 years old. It's understandable.
Right.
A couple things.
Right.
First of all, you got to start working on her absorption. That's the most important thing. Excuse me, she's probably got malabsorption issues. Liquid protein. Is she doing the bone soup?
That she's a vegetarian, so I don't.
Okay.
She doesn't want to do anything to
She's
do with
a vegetarian. Okay,
yes.
all right. Is she vegan or vegetarian?
She stays away from any dairy, any meat.
Well, then it's going to be a little tougher. Then get her some aminos. Can she do soy? Can she do legumes and beans?
Yes, that's what she does. Her primary diet is garbanzos, kidneys, lima beans.
Get her some lentil soup.
I think potatoes are a problem now. She likes to eat a lot of potatoes, and I think that's
because she's not getting enough protein. That happens to vegans and vegetarians, is because they don't get a lot of protein. There's an interesting relationship between protein and sugar. The body can derive a certain amount of energy, and the brain can derive a certain amount of energy from protein. But when we don't have enough protein, we're going to end up craving sugar. That's why you always, if you're having a problem with carbs and you want to wean yourself off carbs, go for the protein, especially if you're older and for your stepmother, she's definitely got to be protein deficient. Get her to do some liquid lentil soup, easy to absorb protein. Or if she does her beans, if she doesn't want to do straight beans, make sure she's using the Ultimate Enzymes with the beans, and make sure she's using some stomach acid. There's a little bit of stomach acid replacement in the Ultimate Enzymes, betaine HCl, but you might want to get a little extra stomach acid, a little extra acid, I should say. Apple cider vinegar can help. Make sure she's doing some apple cider vinegar after she does her beans, and then make sure you may want to get her something called Pepsin, Pepsin, and HCl, Pepsin and HCl. You can get that at a health food store, and that will help her activate her enzymes and help her absorb her protein. Make sure she's using the Beyond Tangy Tangerine. Sip on it all day long. The vitamin C in the Beyond Tangy Tangerine will help with wound healing and help with general health as well, of course. Vitamin E can also help. Make sure she's using her vitamin E with her meals. 400 international units a day of vitamin E. She should be using some zinc also. You might want to get her some zinc oxide paste, and you can put the zinc oxide paste right on the wound. I'll talk a little bit about that tomorrow. And then if you give me a week or so, I don't know if you need something quicker than that, it's going to take me about a week. Send me an email with your address on there, Carl, and I'll send you out some of this, some sample of this wound healing cream that I'm making up. I've been doing it now for almost 15 years, but I'm going to start to market it out on my own. So if you great results from this stuff for plastic surgery, especially. So if you want to send me an email with your phone number or with your address on there, I'll send that out. But you got to give me a week. But you might want to try some of the zinc oxide in the meantime, zinc oxide paste. Okay, Truth Raider?
Okay, this is what she's doing. She's putting Preparation H on her leg on the wound. I said, no.
Well, that's not going to hurt necessarily. You know what Preparation H does have in it? It has oxygen. It has shark liver oil, and shark liver oil, it has some kind of oxygenating property. It's almost like we were talking earlier about ozonated oil. It's not quite as effective as, and by the way, that's another thing you can do, is ozonated oil. Go on the internet and look for ozonated olive oil, or make her your own. Go get an ozone generator, make your own ozonated olive oil. But the Preparation H has a reputation for being healing because of its ability to trap oxygen and then deliver oxygen to wounds. That's one of the reasons why it works for hemorrhoids. So her intuition is right on that, although it's not as effective as just straight ozonated olive oil. That's another thing that you could do in addition to the zinc oxide topical and this vitamin C and omega cream that I'm going to send you if you send me an email with your address. Lots of things you could do, but you want to treat slow healing wounds as a sign that the body's starting to break down and it's not doing its business. Of course, she's 95 years old, so that's understandable, but there's lots of things that you could do to help her build her body and repair the wound and heal the wound as well. That's all the time we have, Truth Raider. Thanks so much for your call, buddy. Appreciate it. And that'll do it for today on the bright side. Tomorrow we'll continue talking about arginine and nitrogen and wound healing. If you're interested in checking out this wound healing cream, this anti-scarring cream, you've got to give me a week or two, but send me an email with your phone number to ben@ksco.com, ben@ksco.com. Of course, if you want to join the Brightside Ben team, love to have you aboard. Call the Brightside Ben phone team at 866-735-2470 or click on the Join the Team link at brightsideben.com. Help me in my mission to educate the world about how important a good nutritional supplement program can be. Thanks so much for listening, folks. I'm Pharmacist Ben. Have yourselves a wonderful, beautiful, spectacular day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.
I didn't believe it. Neither did I. No way could you professionally remove unwanted hair, pain-free, and at home.
My thoughts exactly.
Remove my face and body hair without expensive, painful office visits?
Not possible. Great minds think alike.
Until I tried No Pro.
Wait, you tried No?
Yes, and it works. I use it on my face, legs, bikini line.
We're BFFs, and you didn't tell me about No?
Here, this is my new No Pro. The most powerful No made. Custom treatment levels, less hair in less time, perfect for any skin type. Try it.
No hair, no pain, no time-consuming expensive office visits?
No, and no.
For a limited time, you can try No Pro risk-free. You'll also get the facial kit and a travel case. Get weeks of long-lasting results.
That's it. I'm getting a No.
Great minds do think alike.
Try No Pro risk-free by calling 800-952-5760. 800-952-5760. That's 800-952-5760. 800-952-5760.
We the people grow cotton, weave fabric, engrave ink, embed strips and fibers to protect from counterfeit and carting to a private bank, having it lent back at interest, forcing taxes to service debt. This capitalism, or was Jefferson correct when stating a central bank issuing the public currency is a greater menace to the liberties of the people than a standing army? Ted Anderson, I'm placing a free silver dollar in a book that explains our monetary system. Call for your copy, 800-686-2237. It's time to understand the system. Call 800-686-2237. That's 800-686-2237. Hi, this is Ted Anderson. If you'd like to listen to GCN programs on the go, I have great news. GCN has created a Droid and iPhone application, and it's free. Just as easy as going to GCNlive.com, click on the banner, and download. Before you know it, you'll be listening to your favorite hard-hitting GCN shows, live or on demand, right on your Droid or iPhone, 24/7 and on the go. So download the Droid and iPhone app free by clicking on the banner at GCNlive.com. Thanks again for listening.